Greeting is very important in all different languages, most importantly in Arabic. Welcome to Arabic Lang Club. I'm HosnyEbrahim, and today's video is about greeting or at-tahiyya. So without further ado, let's get started. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. This is the main way how people greet each other in the Arab world during any part of the day when we meet or visit each other. Now, let's speak about the meaning. The word salam in Arabic means peace. So, when you visit someone or meet someone and you say Assalamu alaikum, that means you wish him peace. It's like peace be with you. And here is something. The letter meme at the end of the word alaikum, this is for plural. And this is just for respect. And this is very common in a few languages. But you can just drop the letter meme and use alayka for men and alayki for women. And now, how do we reply? Wa alaykum assalam. Wa alaykum assalam. Marhaban. Marhaban. This is a different way people greet each other. Literally means welcome. However, we use it like hi or hello, except if someone is visiting you. So when you say marhaban, it means welcome. How do you reply? You say marhaban, just the same, or you say marhaban bika. Marhaban bika for men, or marhaban biki. Marhaban biki for women. Ahlan. Ahlan. This is exactly the same way like marhaban. However, the meaning is very different. Ahlan means family. Like if someone is coming to your home and you say ahlan, so you're welcoming him. It's a very warm welcoming. It means welcome home. We are like your family. You're coming and visiting your family. However, they're not family. It's a very lovely and deep meaning. To reply, you say ahlan, or you say ahlan bika or ahlan biki, just like marhaban. With marhaban and ahlan, it's better to say names. It's more friendly and more welcoming if you join them both. If you said ahlan wa marhaban, sabahul khair. Sabahul khair. It means good morning. How would you reply? Sabahu al khair. Just the same. Or you just replace the word al khair, which means good, with the word an-nur, which means light. So you say sabahu an-nur. Sabahu an-nur. Masa'ul khair. Masa'ul khair, which means good evening. How to reply? Masa'u al-khair, just the same, or Masa'u an-nur. Masa'u an-nur. However, there's so many nice and different ways to reply on Sabahul Khair, good morning, and Masa'ul Khair, good evening. But we're going to speak about them later when we speak about the street greeting. Ma'as-salama. Ma'as-salama. Ma'as-salama means goodbye. As-salama means safe. So you wish him to be safe. Okay, friends, that's it for today's class. And if you have any question, just leave a comment in the comment section below. Ma'as-salama.